So let's check if this SEGA Mega Drive 2 16-bit game console can still play. So here we are. We have a Sony Tridon TV, and we are currently terminating the RCA connectivity. Okay. So it's only. Let's turn it on. The TV. So video 4 for the TV. So now it's already playing, and let's turn it on. And nothing happens. It means something is wrong with our SEGA drive. Maybe it needs some cleaning. Okay, so that's how. Because when you turn it off, it will detect signal. And now cannot detect. Then for this one, we need maybe to clean the terminals, because I see any dust on the game cartridge. Okay, let's just clean this for a while. One of the things we used to clean before is this, using a brush just to dust it off the terminals, because it's a little bit dusty. It was stored more than 20 years in the cabinet. And for the cartridge, we use these cotton buds or swab and put some alcohol, then wipe the terminals. Alcohol, because it's more, it can evaporate easily. Now, yeah, hopefully this will work already. And the clean part. Okay, then what we can do is plug it, plug the power, plug the AV, audio video connector, turn it on. Wow, guys, it's already working. Whoa! So it has hope, because we started to see text. Just need some cleaning. Wait for it. Something's happened because it used to load very quick. Need to clean it again. Turn it off. Another try. I need to wipe some terminals. Then plug maybe the controller. Let's turn it on. So it's showing some signal already.